Before I get to that second question on the unemployment rate, I'm going to ask you a point blank question here. How are you thinking about the November meeting?
So a couple things. One, we have 2 employment reports and an inflation report coming in. So the main thing will be to look, when we get to that meeting, at the totality of the data, and we'll be looking at the activity data, the unemployment data, and the inflation data, and asking ourselves, is our policy stance in the place where it needs to be for us to best foster achievement of our goals? And I think we'll take everything into account, and we don't have that data yet. So that's the main thing. But the other thing is just, I wanted to point out, and I kind of just did, that it's a committee that we will do what it takes in terms of the speed with which we move. But if you look at where we were 2 weeks ago, coming up on 3 weeks ago, I guess, when we wrote down our SEPs and made our decision, it was a situation where people were thinking, the bulk of the committee was at 75 or 100 basis points, and the votes were on 50, and that would mean 2 more cuts. It wouldn't mean more 50s. Now, of course, that'll depend on the data, but ultimately that's what the baseline is. If the economy performs as expected, then that would mean 2 more cuts this year, a total of 50 more.